Okay, more of the unboxing of the pasq ADV1, the beta test. There it is. The shock is unclipped. However, I haven't set it, so it's compressed right now. It looks like it would. I can move it out. There will be some adjustings, I'm sure. Looks like there is a couple of compartments in here. Looks like it's pretty deep. That fits pretty good. I'm sure I can put some papers or something in there. That fits in there pretty tight. This is where some of the components came. There's a wiring harness, some nuts and bolts. Those are just bolts. More parts. Some nuts and bolts. More parts. They're all labeled, it looks like. I printed off the instructions that he emailed me. There's more. Some more instructions wrote on them. Some more. Looks like a lot of the parts are 3D printed. That's very good quality. Just more parts. Pieces. That's a fairly big piece in there. It's got a VIN. This here is the swivel part. The swivel. That's pretty tight right now. I'm sure I can adjust it. This will go back in here for another compartment. Just fit that in. Looks like that'll stay pretty good. Again, this is a beta tester, so if I have any issues, the Rod and his people will help remedy the issues. And there's keys here. This here is a compartment. It might not open the best laying on its side though. You can see I'm not an expert at this stuff. It does look like it's a fairly deep cavern in there. It's lockable. That's kind of nice. Go around here. There's tail lights, tag lights. You need to tag it with the wiring harness. You can light it up. A few tool marks, but no big deal. I'm sure that'll be covered. There's supposed to be rails that go right here to attach bags, a shelf, and or your fuel cans. A shelf so you can put like a cooler and things on it. I'm sure those will be coming. Again, I'm waiting for the second box. There it is from a different angle. Pretty hefty rim. It all rolls really nice. Tires nice. Brand new Trail Shinko. The Trail Master looks really nice. Really good tread. I don't know what else to say about it. There's more of the attached wiring harness right here to hook up the tail lights and the blinkers. I noticed up under here, I did notice there was a, I don't know what for, but I thought I saw a light up under there. Yeah, there's a little light right there. I'm not sure what it's for, but maybe it's just to light up the light and make the wheel look cool. Again, this is the, here's the part that goes in through the axle, and parts might mount right on that. one of the main mounts. Looks like it mounts on here. And this is where it'll mount onto there. There's a safety pin there, a safety pin there. Right there's a safety pin, and it locks. So it looks like it's really safe. Doesn't look like it's going to come off very easily. Again, it's the pasq ADV1. It's been a long time coming. They've done a lot of work on it in a beta tester. I'm sure there's going to be a few tweaks here and there as we go. And I don't know. Wait.